Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't download any apps from Google Play Store as they are in a pending mode in OnePlus tab. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, if you try to download something like Steam link right here. Let's keep the account set up. It's stuck in the pending mode and it won't begin the actual download. Let's cancel it for now and move on to the fix. So what we need to do is to open our settings, then in the bottom find additional settings. Here we have date and time and enable set time automatically. Now we can go back to the Google Play Store and try to install the app again, and now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.